Hello my YouTube fans. So I'm here with a new video, and in this video I am going to tear down Dell Latitude 5400 laptop. Yes, this is high-end laptop having 32 GB of RAM and 1 TB of M.2 NVMe SSD. Ooh, which is very fast. So build quality of this laptop is very nice because it is having rubberized metallic body. So you could open up numerous applications simultaneously and do the multitasking, and of course you could play high-end games as well. However, this is actually an industrial laptop which is very feasible for working on high-end applications for industrial usage. So this will cost you around 1,30,000 INR. So guys, I will not be dragging this anymore. Let's remove the back chassis to see what's inside the laptop. I have started removing all the screws from the back panel. And this laptop is having only one panel. Once removed, you could able to see internal parts and internal accessories. The best part is I don't need to bother about the screws, as each screw remain attached with the back chassis or panel even if it is loosened. So I'm not worried for misplacing the screws now. So guys, I will be making this fast forward to save the time. So all the screws has been loosened, and I am using the screwdriver to take out the back chassis. You should do it very carefully. And here we go. So the back panel has been removed successfully, and this is the internal look of the laptop, and this is how the back panel looks from inside. So let's keep this apart, and at once if you will be seeing the internal assembly of the laptop, you will be noticing the biggest part here, the laptop battery. So this is of Dell brand, 68 watt hour, which is 8500 milliampere hour, which will keep you backup till 8 hours in ideal condition. And if you are working rigorously on the laptop with high-end apps and multitasking, it will end up in 4 hours. So this is the M.2 NVMe drive. So it is of 512 GB. I was mistakenly told you in the beginning as 1 TB. However, it is of 512 GB. So let me just take it out to show you in a proper manner. So it is having proper shielding, it is having the proper heatsink connected to the NVMe drive. Since I told you this is industrial laptop, so the assembly and the internal build quality is too good. So you can see this is the heatsink which is having an adhesive compound and which is taking the excess heat from the drive. And this drive is of Hynix brand, which is SK Hynix 512 GB NVMe PCI Gen 3 type of drive, and this drive is very fast, so it is better than normal SATA SSD. This is very good, this looks good. Now let's fix the drive back to the motherboard. So the heatsink will goes like this. However, first of all we need to fix the drive to the motherboard port, and then we will be fixing the heatsink. So just let me take off the heatsink and fix the drive to the motherboard port. And you need to push the drive into the slot very gently, and once you are done, just place the heatsink on the top of it in a proper manner so the holes will be matching with the lower hole which is made on the motherboard. And once it is matching with each other, then put the screw on the holes and tighten it up. Now time to fix the another screw, and you're done. And this is the RAM. So let me take out the RAM and let me tell you the RAM configuration. As I told you, the complete RAM memory is of 32 GB. So here are two RAMs, both are of 16 GB, and this RAM brand is of SK Hynix, and the same with the second one. So both RAM are similar and are of same brand, and I will just put it back into the RAM slot. You need to hold the RAM in 45 degree of angle and push it into the slot, and then push it towards the motherboard. A click sound will occur, it means RAM got fixed. So clip is in the either side of the RAM slot which is holding the RAM. This is CMOS battery, this is exhaust fan, and the Wi-Fi adapter. So it is having the wires coming out from the Wi-Fi adapter, which is acting as an antenna. This is the processor place where the heatsink is connected to the exhaust fan. Okay, that's it. Now let me open the flap of this laptop. So this laptop is having pointing stick or track point, you can say, in the middle of the keyboard, which is used to move the pointer using your finger. So here a few more ports on the motherboard are there just above the battery. So these are the ports what I'm talking about. This is USH port, this is HDD port, that is m-sata supportive, and yeah, these two ports are empty, and this is touchpad port which is already connected with the cable, and this is the battery this is the battery which is already connected to the battery port, and this battery is of 8000 mAh. So that's why I'm getting around 8 hours of ideal power backup, and while I'm using this I'm getting 4 to 5 hours of backup. So it's too much. So I can see the huge battery over here. So it is having, it is of Dell brand, and this is very genuine battery. So that's why the power backup is very good. So this is what I love about industrial PC, and this PC is awesome. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video and you have learned something. If so, please do share this video with others. And do like this video, subscribe my channel for the latest update, to press the bell icon to get quick notification whenever I'm uploading any video. So stay tuned to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. This is Piyush signing off.